Hello and welcome to another video on the channel. MOZO AI app, mini app for the mining of the airdrop or points, tokens, etc. has recently launched a new update. Now the new update contains ways to earn even more and easier. How can we start earning this easily? What is the feature about? And how can you maximize that feature to get the best out of it? Let's begin. Open your MOZO app. Then we head to BOOSTS. Next thing is to look down and you can see AutoTapBot has been added to the tools. Now it takes 200,000. Right now I have 260,000. We're going to be doing this. So click on AutoTapBot. I will start earning offline points for you. Please collect your rewards in 16 hours to restart me. So it does not work for 24 hours or 12 hours, it's 16 hours. So make sure to make good use of it. Now click on get it. Now this doesn't work like every other AutoTapBot. It actually ends every single thing for you. Let me explain. Once you do it, you can't mine anymore. So the AutoTap model is now live. If it's not live, that's because you have not come back in the next 16 hours. And now it's going to show you the time. What you have as your energy limit, 2,200, is what it will give you after the next 4 hours. If you come back in 16 hours, you multiply 2,200 by 4, which gives you 8,800. So by the time I come back in 16 hours, it is meant to give me 8,800. Then if you want to increase it, because you can, you do not upgrade it. It can't be upgraded. What you do is energy limit and then you click on get it, because multi-tap isn't really needed unless you're using lightning tap. Lightning tap is a feature in which you have to tap within a particular amount of time fast, which means that they will require you to actually tap. The bot is not going to be doing that for you. But for the energy, what it's going to do is that immediately you click on the energy and you claim it, immediately it's going to show you that you've been able to earn 2,200, because that's what I have, or whatever you have on your screen. It is going to give you that instantly, and then you can keep on mining. So that's a very good way of earning, basically hands off, unless you're doing the tax, which makes it way easier. So you can take advantage of it and start mining. Been giving regular updates on this. Hopefully you've been taking advantage of it and you can earn more using this video, so make sure to watch it. The link is going to be in the description box. You can also join the Telegram and WhatsApp channel so you can get updates, videos, etc. just help you out. That's it for this video. Before you leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos when they come out on the channel. Thank you for your time and for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then.